2 days ago we were saying the questions were repetitive and leading question, but there seems a lot of mentioning about beatings and using objects.
Yeah, it's true. When it comes to this child, there is a different problem, so to speak. The problem is that what he says doesn't match with other pieces of evidence in this case. And that's the problem for the prosecution when it comes to this kid's story. He mentions a lot of things that others has allegedly seen, but the problem is when you talk to those witnesses, they cannot confirm the story. So it's a bit different when it comes to these two children that we've heard so far. You will notice that if you continue to follow this trial.
Mr. Tara, as the days go on, how confident are you and how confident are your clients?
It's the same thing as I've said before. I'm confident in this case, and my client is as well. She's looking forward to the time where she will be able to give her testimony and to be able to give her version of the events. And as I've said before, she denies the charges, and she is of the opinion that her children, and particularly the one that we heard today, is not telling the truth or are exaggerating events or are telling about things that has happened in other countries where the upbringing or the rules and the traditions of the Malaysian people and Malaysian laws is applied and allowed.
What are your comments about the last part where he was talking about the genital pinching?
Yeah, that's one of these things that doesn't match with other pieces of evidence. We're going to hear some of his friends where he tells them things about this, and he doesn't say the same thing to the police as he allegedly has said to his friends, and that's one of the points that the defense has at the end of this trial as well.
But Shalwati and Azizul will speak after all the videos being shown.
And that will probably be on the 3rd of March because we're running a little bit late because of different events, as you've noticed during the trial.
When do you expect the verdict?
Pardon?
When do you expect the verdict?
I expect it about 2 weeks after the last day of trial, but that is something, the specific date is something that the court will tell on the last day of trial.
Thank you very much.